Thank you for choosing VOVO. Let's start the installation. First, please check all the parts and contents before installation. Water supply by turning the valve clockwise. Empty the tank by flushing the toilet. When the water turns off, you can now remove the hose. Please connect the T-valve under the toilet tank. Connect the hose from the water valve to the T-valve. Connect the hose for the bidet to the T-valve. Please have the upper fixing parts ready. Insert the rubber nut into the bolt hole. Before installing the base bracket, please use the provided template to check if the bidet will be compatible with your toilet. Once you have checked the size using the template, you can now place the base bracket on the top. Now place the bolt bracket on top of the base bracket. Place the washer on top of the bolt bracket and insert the screw. Screw in the bolt using a driver to lock the base bracket in place. Once you are done, please remove the template from the toilet. Slide the bidet into the base bracket. Please make sure the bidet is aligned with the toilet. From the side, you can see the bidet is installed close to the tank. Connect the hose from the T-valve to the bidet. Turn on the water by turning the valve counterclockwise to supply the water into the toilet and bidet. Connect the power to the AC outlet. Check the power indicator light to check the bidet seat is powered on. Installation is now complete. You can now remove the sticker and start using your new bidet seat. Enjoy your new bidet seat. Thank you for watching this video.